Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm explain how to SEO on your YouTube channel intro. So I'm just title automatic generate channel YouTube intro. So now YouTube is wrong. YouTube, okay, YouTube intro video and hashtag YouTube intro. Okay, just copy and paste description. And I'm writing description. So guys, just I'm typing just a description, hello friends, and dot. So now I'm select this playlist. No, select this playlist because it's my channel intro and thumbnail is here. Okay, then scroll down and no made for kid and see more paid promotion and tag in description. So this is the video language. Click video language and select English because channel intro is totally English. Okay, now caption certificate don't need, record date and location. So select location, I don't need. So recorded date 21 December 2013. Okay, license YouTube standard YouTube license. Okay, allow embedding. Okay, don't allow remix. Okay, people and blogs. Okay, this is my blog YouTube channel, so select people and blog intros. Okay, and just next video element and card not add, and in this skin not add because not is 1 minute video, and visibility and unlist because it's my YouTube intro and I will show just my YouTube homepage. So then save, click and going customization. So guys, now I'm click YouTube customization section. So layer, channel trailer and people who are not subscribed. So add it and I select intro video, then public. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video for more tips. Keep watching my video. Goodbye.